Shelam, Merhaba, Hallo. For Circassians worldwide, May 21st is a day of mourning. On this day, in 1864, tens of thousands of Circassians were murdered and they were expelled from their homelands. On May 21st, we commemorate a genocide. The history of Circassians is not just a story of suffering and oppression. It is also a story of resistance, because the Circassians have managed to preserve the richness of their culture over 159 years. Some people wonder why we commemorate a genocide that happened so many years ago. I believe that no genocide should ever be forgotten. We must not accept that they are denied. What the Circassians are going through to this day is the result of war, of oppression, and of fanaticism. It is about tolerance, diversity, and human rights. It concerns the present, and it concerns all of us. Circassians are often reduced to folklore, their dances, and memorable weddings, but their culture offers much more. It is our task to stand up for their history and cultural wealth to be recognized internationally. My father was a Circassian. He came to Germany through the German-Turkish recruitment agreement. He met my mother, and the product of their love was me. For a long time, my father had no one with whom he could have spoken his mother tongue. It took many years until he found interlocutors for Circassian associations. The Circassians have legitimate demands. What they want is to be perceived not only by their impressive folklore dances, but also as an endangered ancient culture that can only survive if it is supported and the connection to its original homeland in the Caucasus is not severed. Therefore, today is a historic day, and my thoughts are with Circassians worldwide.